Welcome to the Digital Research Alliance of Canada's RDM video tutorial series on data management plans and the DMP Assistant. This video, Introduction to DMP Assistant, is the second video in this series. Portage Network's DMP Assistant is a web-based, bilingual tool for writing your data management plan, or DMP. This video will help you get started by demonstrating how to create an account, how to set up your first DMP, and how to navigate the sections of the DMP Assistant. This is the home page of the DMP Assistant. Access it at assistant.portagenetwork.ca. Note that you can toggle the language option to view the Assistant in English or in French. The first time you visit this page, you'll need to create an account, over here on the right. To begin, enter your first and last name and your email address and select your institution. You can start typing and select the option from the suggestions. If your institution isn't listed, enter the full name manually. Select a strong password, then click the security check and terms and conditions. You'll receive an email confirming the creation of your account. You're now ready to create your first DMP. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to a dashboard. Here you'll see a list of DMPs for which you're either an owner or a collaborator. The list will be empty if you just created your account. However, if someone has already shared a DMP with you, it will appear here. Click the Create Plan button to create a new DMP. First, give your plan a project name. If you just want to practice using the tool, check the box for a mock project. This does not affect the functionality of the tool. In the next box, type the name of your organization. In the final box, choose the template you want to work with. If you're just starting out, we recommend that you choose the Portage template. There are a number of other options you can choose from, based on such things as funders, institutions, and particular disciplines or methodologies. For more information about these options, visit the Portage website at www.portagenetwork.ca or contact your local library or research office. Click Create Plan. Project details should be entered in the first section, including abstract, project start and end date, funder, and grant number. Contributor details can be entered in the second section, including contact information for the principal investigator, data manager, or project administrator. The Plan Overview tab lists the questions you'll need to answer to create the DMP based on the template you selected. The Write Plan tab is where you'll fill in the information for your DMP. The sections of the plan correspond to the stages of the data management lifecycle. In each section, there are guiding questions that help you write a detailed plan that covers all aspects of research data management. Provide your answer to each of the questions in the box. On the right, there's guidance about the kind of information you might put in each section. And don't forget to save your answer for each question. Also on the right is a Comments feature. This is where collaborators can leave comments or questions for one another. The local customization will also appear on the right side if one was created at your institution. With DMP Assistant, you can share your DMP with your collaborators easily. On the Share tab, you can control who is able to read or edit your DMP and invite collaborators. When you invite someone to collaborate on your DMP, they'll receive an email invitation, and the DMP will appear on their DMP Assistant dashboard. If they don't have a DMP Assistant account, they'll be prompted to create one. When your plan is ready to export, go to the Download section of the Assistant to export it to a variety of formats, including Word documents, PDFs, and other formats. Congratulations! You've now created your first DMP. You can find more resources on DMPs and the DMP Assistant, including videos, templates, exemplars, and other materials, on the Portage Network website at www.portagenetwork.ca. You can also visit the DMP Assistant homepage at assistant.portagenetwork.ca.
Created using Powtoon.